In this task, we need to install httpd on app server 2 and then change port to 8086, and then we need to copy these files to our app server 2. So let's do that. Let's connect to it. So we're in app server 2 now. Just be a sudo user. Now install httpd. Okay, meanwhile it installs, let's configure, let's write a command. That's S. We need to change port to 8086 and /etc httpd conf httpd.conf. So this is the command to replace it. Of course you can use v-editor as well, but this makes easy. If something went wrong, I'm missing something, maybe this. Yeah, now start the service. Systemctl start httpd. So if I check curl localhost 8086, yeah, we are able to browse it now. So what we need to do, we need to copy these files to this server. So let's do that. Just do scp -r and the media directory to Steve st app02. Let's send it to user's home directory and put the password. Okay, that's been sent. Then now let's send another folder, games. Put the password. Yeah, that's, we got both of them here. Now let's move them to, so I'm just going to move these two files to /var www.html. So if you go to this folder, now you can see these two files. So if you want to browse them, what you can do, curl http stapp02 and port number 8086. You can look for games and you can look for media. So if you want to see the output, the body instead of this 3001, what you can do, you can use capital L, so you can see the content of that file. Media, if you use games, you can see that games. So whatever you're going to put inside this folder /var www.html, so you can browse it. So for instance, if I do ls, if I create a directory, for instance Madhu, if we jump into the directory, let's make a file cat index.html and then welcome to DevOps, I could say. So we got this file. Now if I visit that, now I can see welcome to DevOps. So that's how it works. It serves basically whatever we have inside this directory. So that's our root directory for now. So that's all for this video. Let's check the task results. It's gone through. Thank you so much for watching.